Well, those are the rocks we're going for. A nice quiet walk on a day like this, or so I thought. There's 4 van loads of kids just turned up, so well, we better go. See if we can get up to that stack of rocks before the kids come. Unfortunately, that school group seemed to be messing about in the car park for ages, so we've got the rocks to myself. Those are the rocks. It's called Hound Tor. So we'll have a quick explore of the rocks, and then there's a ruined medieval village a little further along that we'll go to. So now, see if we can clean the lens a bit. Well, that's Hound Tor where we're going. Lovely Dartmoor weather this is. Rain sweeping across. We do this for pleasure. But here we are. It is November, and it keeps the crowds away. So I thought. Nice gentle scramble up these rocks. Oh, we're at the top now, right up amongst the rocks. And I'm sure on the right day there'd be lovely views over there. However, all I can see now is cloud and sweeping rain. Molly's gone exploring in the rocks here. So, let's have a look down here. Yeah, cracking viewpoint on the right day. I've left the rocks behind. I'm heading down the track towards the medieval village. Don't think I'll do the full walk I was going to, the weather's just too foul. So we go down here and loop round. Well, this is where the medieval village was. Very little sign of it now. Never mind, we just continue walking. The wind and rain have subsided a little, still pretty awful, so never mind. Molly doesn't seem to be bothered. Lots of good sniffing to be done. Just come over the ridge. You can see the car park down the bottom. I think that'll do for today. Go back in the warm. Perhaps reading a book this afternoon rather than go out walking. Right, that's it for today.